In this video today, I have some really dirty carpet in this house. And over here, I have the Bissell ProHeat 2X Revolution. We're going to start by removing this water tank by pulling up and out, and then filling up some warm water based on the clean we want to do. So you have Max, Easy, and Express. There's a line for Express Clean down there. There's a line up here for Easy Fill and the Max Deep Clean. You do have this. So after filling in the water, we fill in this formula to the top line. For the Express Clean line, we are now ready to go. Place this yellow cap back on. Put the tank back on the unit and set to the level of clean you're looking for. I put it to Express since that's what I put in the tub. Plug the unit into the power outlet and switch it on using this red switch. Based on the level of cleaning mode, you do have different instructions based on how fast you go over the carpet. But in general, you push down on the lever as you go forward, and then you let off as you go backward. But depending on the soil, you may want to hold on that trigger in both directions, and then suck it up right afterward. So right now, I'm pulling on the trigger and going forward at a pace of about 8 inches per second, and then I'll be going back using the same line. Now with my hand off the trigger, I'm going to go back over what I just sprayed, multiple passes. I've done a few lines and now the water is this dirty, so now I'm going to pull up on this container. Pull up on this black rubber cap and then just pour it out. Put this container back into the unit until it clicks. And here's how it's looking so far. While it did get some dirt, there's definitely some that needs to be pre-treated before going further. Here's one of the stains I ran over. You can see on the other side of the remote it's dark because I didn't clean that, and on this side it's much lighter. Okay, so I have these chairs and they're a bit dirty. So now we have to lift this part up. Okay, turn the machine on and then give this a really good spray prior to scrubbing it really fast. Then we use the same tool to suck out all of the water. Just push down towards the front because that's where the suction is. And after a few passes, this is how it's looking. Definitely should use pre-treat to be able to get the stains out, and that will definitely go a long way with this. Other than that, just want to show this is a real-world use of how it went.